Good day, I am Teacher Rana and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to fabricate a chicken. We need a sharp knife in fabricating or cutting the chicken into 8 portions. Cut around the flesh of the wing joint closest to where it attaches into the breast. Pull backwards the remaining wing to remove it, leaving the tiny bone attached to the breast. Let's remove the leg and the thigh portion by cutting close to the leg. Pop the joints out on both legs. Then turn the chicken over. Make a cut with your knife through the middle back. Find where the shoulder blades end and make a cross cut establishing the squareness of the thigh. Using my finger, I'm going to detach the oyster muscle from the bone by pulling it out. Cut through the tendons and remove the leg and thigh portion on both sides. Now, turn the chicken over, showing the breast part. Run the knife from the top to the bottom of the breast, following the breastbone. Begin cutting the breast off the ribs down through the wing joint. Remove the tender, then remove the wishbone. Cut the leg to separate the thigh from the drumstick. Trim as needed. Here's the 8 cuts of chicken, the tender, the bones that we use for making stock. The 8 parts are breast, thigh, drumstick, and wings. Now here's the 8 cuts of chicken that you can use in any chicken dish.